Hello friends, I have made this top 7 lines of the granny square pattern. Here I have used the granny square. You check, this portion is the flip portions. This one the front part and back side. Front and back sides are same and two sides of sleeves are same, and you make this pattern in continue as per your required length. And here I have used this two different color of yarn, and you make the same color, you can use the same color in the border of your top. You make 8 to 10 lines of the base color. After that you make the borders. Hello friends, I have completed my body portion of the top. This is the neck line, this is the arm, sleeves, and this one the waist portion. And then you increase the little bit the length of your top. So I am attaching the two sides of the top. Here you attach it. This is the 3DC 2 chain 3DC in the same stitch. This is the corner portion. Here you attach your yarn with slip stitch and make 1 2 3 chain and make 2 more chains and go to the other part of your top. Here you make 1 chain and go to the make 2 chain and go to the other side and make only 3DC. You joint the other side sleeve also and make 2 chain and go to the next space and make 3 double crochet, 2 chain, 3 double crochet into the next space. You repeat around. This is the waist portion of your top. I have completed. I have attach two sides of the sleeves together with granny stitch. You can make only 3 DC, then you go to the next stitch and other side next space and make 3 DC. Hello friends, I have made the waist portion of the top. Here I am making the 1 2 3 4 5 6 rounds, and then here I am making the cell stitch for border. I have used the cell stitch pattern, and this is the sleeve portion. Here also I have used the cell stitch. DC, go to the second stitch of the DC stitch. Here you make 1 single crochet, and then you go to the next space and make 3 DC, and then make 1 single crochet. This is the corner portion of the sleeves. Here you make 1 single crochet, and cut your extra yarn. And your top is ready. And here you check you insert one bow ribbon with bow. You can insert. Here I am making the circle, 2 circles in the ribbon, and this ribbon is made with same color yarn. Total 108 chains, and make 2 sides of 2 circle. This is very simple and unique pattern. You can make in easy way. And this is the small size of the this top, and you can make big size if you want. For big size you increase the square portions. Here you increase. After increasing, you make the waist portion. If you make the medium size, then you increase the 2 or 4 rounds of the square. Here 2 inch and 2 inch, extra 2 inch, and then you make this waist portion. This top is divided into 2 parts. First one is square parts, and then this is the rectangular part. And you can make it, and please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.